Okay, children. Today we shall start with new lesson, circles. You know this is a circle. Okay. In this circle, this is called as center of the circle. Now, you know in the 9th standard about the radius, of the circle, circumference of the circle. Now, next, chord of the circle, diameter of the circle. In the 9th standard, you all know this. Next is sector, segment, minor segment and major segment, minor sector, major sector. These are all you know in the 9th standard only. These are the basic words or basic terms we use in the chapter circles. Okay. Now move on to the further. In the 10th standard, what you will learn? You will learn about the secant. This is previous knowledge, and in this year you will learn, this is the present syllabus. What you have in the present syllabus is secant and the tangent. Now we will see what is this secant and what is this tangent. As you know, I will take, see, you can see PQ line is there and AB line is there. Okay. These are the lines outside the circles. So when it is outside the circle, it is called as only lines. Now I will slide this . Now what happened? This PQ line touches the circle at only one point. Okay, you note this. Next, it enters the circle, and also this PQ is outside the circle. These points are outside the circles. Again I will slide, I will slide, I will slide, I will slide. Again this line is not touching the circle. Now see this line now. This AB line touches the circle at one point. Then this PQ line also going by intersecting the circle. This line, if I again move this line, see this, these two lines are called as secant. So secant is the line which goes by intersecting, along with intersecting the circumference of the circle at 2 points. So it is intersecting, it is not stopped there, it is intersecting. Again I will slide this and see here it goes through the center point of the circle. When it goes center point of the circle, I have marked here one point here, another point here. So these 2 points, at these 2 points, the circle touches the circumference. So this is the chord. So when the chord intersects and goes beyond the circle, it is called as a secant. When it touches only the circumference of the circle, it is called as chord. When it goes through the center of the circle and touches the 2 points at the circumference of the circles, it is called as, what is it called? It is called as diameter. Okay. Now, what is this tangent now? So, we have seen, again I will see, at this point, at this center of the circle, this PQ line is touching the circle at the two different points. Again, I will slide this line. See, now it is having no name. The line which is inside the circle has no name, but this is the secant. Now secant. Now this becomes the chord of the circle. Again this is secant of the circle. At this point, it is touching the circle at only one point. So, whenever the line touches the circle or passes the circle through one point, through single point, it is called as tangent of the circle. See here, it is also touching only at one point. See here, again it is only touching at only one point. When we slide this, it goes as a secant, as a diameter, as a chord, and lastly again it comes as a tangent. So tangent is the line that passes through single point of a circle. It is known as tangent. Understood? Now I will remove this. I will remove this. Now what we have to do? We have to write the, in your notes you have to write the definition of, write the definition of secant and tangent. Also, draw the figures showing tangent and secant. This is the first part, the first part of this circle chapter. Okay.